Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Scotch Bonnet Kitchen. Hope everyone is in good health and living. Today I'll be making some chicken soup. Yeah, and these are all the ingredients I'll need for my soup. Yeah, people add a little bit more food to it, you know, like yam and cocoa and all of that stuff, but you know, I'm more on the simple side, so it's just gonna be potato, some carrots, chocha, and you know, the dumpling. And I'm a pumpkin over this for some, you know, some flavor and thickening of the soup. You know what I'm saying? Give the soup body. You know, I have a few okra right here. You know, but for the ingredients for the soup, as I said, for flavor, you know, you're gonna need some thyme, some scallion, you know, pepper, you know, and maybe a few cloves of garlic. Let's get started. And we're back, guys. Now I'm about to peel all the ingredients for my soup, clean up everything, and you know, get everything right and nice. You know, as I say, I'm gonna use another soup again. Some potato, chocha, pumpkin for a little color and body. We have carrot, our spices. We have thyme, scallion, pepper, and an onion. You know, some people like to put pimento seed in it, but you know, I won't be putting any in mine. You know, let's get started with the peeling process. There you have it. Finish with my prep. This is the potato, the chocha, with a carrot cut up, dice to put. I cube the potatoes and the what you call it, chocha, and you know, cut up the carrot the right way. And here we have some onion. I have my pumpkin right there. Yeah, supposed to get garlic for going night. 2 cloves of garlic to go night. But this will be like, you know, the first ingredients in the pot. The onion and the pumpkin. Because you want your pumpkin to boil out so you can give the soup the color that it needs. You know what I'm saying? We have some water up on the fire, almost to a boil. Yeah, so add in my ingredients then. Yeah, so the first 2 ingredients will be my onion and my pumpkin. I add a little salt to the pot too. And when the pumpkin reach to a certain point where it's like, you know, it boil, you know, you can add your chicken to the pot. You know, my chicken to one side, so I'm gonna add my chicken to the pot once the pumpkin, you know, is partially cooked. You know, because I don't want my chicken to overcook or boil out in the soup. You know, I want it to be just right. So as I say, my potato over there with my chocha and carrot. You know, I have my pumpkin right there, so my onion right there, so I'm gonna get my garlic. I have my scallion there, my pepper, and my thyme. You know, Scotch Bonnet Kitchen. You know, we're on our way to a nice bowl of chicken soup. So here I'm gonna add a little salt. Add my onion. And my pumpkin. And as I say, while that I cook, you know, my chicken done prepared and clean up the right and proper way. So I'm gonna just make the pumpkin, you know, partially cook, and then I add my chicken to my pot. Now we're back. I'm about to add my chicken to my pot, as you can see. So the pumpkin, get the water, a little color. I have my onion in there, a little bit of garlic. The pumpkin that you saw, I only used like half of it. You know, some people would use the full pumpkin, but you know, I'm gonna like my soup to be too thick. Yeah, so I'm add my chicken. Now if I'm gonna add my chicken, and just make it go and cook for a little, and then I go add my flour. I drop a couple pimento berries in this. And then I go add my flour to it and just make all of this go and cook up. Yeah, and we're back. I'm about to drop my flour, put some spinners in them. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna roll some and put it in there, some dumpling and put it in there, or just some spinners. Yeah, pumpkin I boil out same way. Normally what some people do is like boil the pumpkin a little, then take it back out to the pot and blend it, or blend it first and then add it to the pot. But like when it cooked, that kind of weird because some of the some pieces of the pumpkin still leave within the soup, and I like that. So this is my way of cooking. And everyone has a different way of doing things. Some people follow certain steps that them learn at an early age, while some people create as they go along. And me, I like to switch it up a little bit here and there. Yeah, but in the intro of the video, I forgot to share this video, Grace flavored soup mix, famous cock soup. Yeah, so this will be added to the pot. Normally would I use like a pumpkin and one of this, but today it's just gonna be a cock soup. So I'm gonna roll my flour now and drop it on my pot. And basically it's like with soup, and nothing, there's nothing crazy. Depending upon what kind of soup you cook. There's nothing crazy. Simple steps. And these are my simple steps. Right now, roll my spinners I drop it on the pot. See you when I'm finished. There you have it. Finished product. And there you have it, finished product. Do remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Scotch Bonnet Kitchen.